what I have here. I took off the door panel because I have to replace the mirror on the passenger side, and for me to do that I have to take off the door panel, unplug this. Here's the other piece. There was this in there which I popped out already, and then you see these, there's 3 that I unscrewed up there, and now it's time for us to take it out. This is the mirror that we are taking out. And there it goes. Done. Now we're going to put the new one in. Here's the old one, and we're going to put the new one on to the Honda. Okay. I put back the door panel. And here's the mirror. I took the back off on purpose so I can paint it white. Make it look nice and blend. This is before I attach the trim. After I put the new trim panel in. Okay, now I done painted the mirror and put it back on. Now it's complete. Okay, I think the bumper just came in. Let's check it out. Here's the bumper. It's black right now, but now I gotta paint it white. Okay, this is the grille for the 2012 Honda Civic. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. Time to put it on. We've been waiting for the caps to come in for our Honda Civic 2012, and it just came in. I'm excited to see how they look on the vehicle.